everyone, welcome to this demo video on how to use FIO Request on the Dopamine Wallet. In this video, I will show you how to send a request for funds using FIO Protocol and how to approve or reject that incoming request. So first, let's open up the Dopamine Wallet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account balance on the home screen. You actually can pick a different asset, and then here at the top, I just selected FIO Protocol. You can see there's a button here in the middle that says Request. Another way to access it is to go to the home screen and click on the icon at the top right and then select FIO Request. Once you click on Request, you can do the drop-down box to select a certain token that you would like to request. So you can request Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many different choices. For the purpose of this demo, I'll be using FIO. So I'm going to select FIO, and then I'm going to send a request to a FIO-enabled address. So I'm going to type in one that I already have set up, which is Chelsea@wallet. And I'm going to put the amount of FIO tokens that I would like to request. So I'm going to do 10 tokens. And then here you can type in a memo. So you can put if it's for a specific payment, an invoice, a specific item. You can customize the memo here, which will be recorded with the request and on that transaction in the metadata. And that's it. The request has been sent. I'm now going to sign in on dashboard.fioprotocol.io to show you what the request looks like. So I'm now on the home screen of the dashboard, and you can see under FIO Request, I do have an alert here that says Respond to FIO Request. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here I can see that there's a pending transaction from a Dopamine wallet. So this is the one that we just requested from the Dopamine wallet, and it says pending. So for me to take care of this, I would click on that request. And after you put in your PIN number, you'll see the FIO request details. So you can see the type, you can see where it came from, the amount requested, the chain, and also that memo that we put in. So here you have the choice. You can click pay or enter payment details, or you can reject this request. I'm going to go ahead and click on pay. Now here I'll quickly confirm the details again, and then when I'm ready to process this transaction, I'm going to click on send FIO tokens. And now I'm going to go back to my Dopamine wallet so you can see how that request was received. So now let's go back to the Dopamine wallet and see how this update came through. So I'm going to click on the asset FIO Protocol. Once I do that, in the recent transaction history, you can see here at the very top, it shows I received 10 tokens. For additional details and to view this on the blockchain, you can click on it and see all the details. You can also click Request History at the top right to view all of the requests that you sent and received. And that is it. It's that simple to send and receive funds through FIO Request on the Dopamine wallet. It's simple, it's secure, and it's a great way to make transactions faster and more efficient. I want to thank you for watching this quick video on how to do FIO Request on the Dopamine wallet. Have a great day.